Done hugging that toilet?
Yeah, I'm good hugging the toilet. Can't believe it's still there.
Dude, I'm just making sure you don't freaking choke on your own vomit.
I'm not gonna choke on my ass. I'm gonna try to do it.
What?
Plenty of practice.
Oh, yeah. Dude, look at that practice. It's sure paying off, isn't it?
It sure fucking is. It's right awesome.
You done?
I'm done.
Dude.
What?
You didn't even fucking eat shit, man.
What?
You didn't even eat nothing.
It's not fucking alcohol in that shit.
Yeah, no. Fucking Rexy.
Whatever. Rexy my ass.
You are, aren't you? Freaking little Rexy.